Design. Introducing the Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro, where every detail embodies a fusion of elegance and practicality. Weighing a mere 199 g and measuring a sleek 8.2 mm in thickness, this device epitomizes the perfect balance between substance and style. Designed to offer a comforting weight in hand, it becomes an indispensable companion for your daily interactions. From its meticulously sculpted curves to its precisely contoured edges, each aspect of the Poco M6 Pro reflects Xiaomi's unwavering commitment to delivering devices that not only meet, but exceed expectations in both functionality and visual appeal. Unleash your imagination on a digital canvas. Step into a world of boundless possibilities with the 6.79-inch display of the Poco M6 Pro. More than just a screen, it serves as a dynamic canvas that breathes life into your content. Boasting a resolution of 1080x2460 pixels, this display ensures visuals are rendered with unparalleled clarity and vibrancy. Whether you're traversing digital landscapes, indulging in cinematic experiences with your favorite movies, or diving into adrenaline-pumping gaming sessions, the Poco M6 Pro's display stands ready to envelop you in its captivating brilliance. System seamless integration of Android 13 and MIUI 14. Experience the perfect harmony between software and interface with the Poco M6 Pro, powered by Android 13 and enhanced by Xiaomi's MIUI 14. This dynamic combination delivers a seamless and intuitive user experience, putting you firmly in command of your device. Effortlessly navigate through apps, seamlessly multitask, and personalize your smartphone experience to suit your preferences. With Android 13 and MIUI 14, every interaction with your Poco M6 Pro becomes a smooth and enriching digital journey. Storage generous. Storage to capture your journey. Unlock vast possibilities with the Poco M6 Pro, offering choices of 64 GB and 128 GB internal storage. This ensures an abundance of space to document your digital life, accommodating everything from a cherished photo collection to an expanding app library and crucial documents. For those craving even more, the microSD-XC support removes limitations, allowing you to broaden your horizons and store without constraints. Camera exquisite imaging with the 50mm camera. Unleash the full potential of every moment with the Poco M6 Pro's 50mm primary camera, designed to capture beauty in remarkable detail. Each photo becomes a canvas of cherished memories, bursting with vibrant colors and captivating details that narrate stories of their own. Elevating your storytelling experience further, the 1080p video recording capability ensures that life's fleeting moments are captured with crystal clear clarity, preserving every nuance for posterity. Performance elevated. Performance with Snapdragon 4 Gen 2. Hidden beneath its sleek exterior lies the powerful Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, orchestrating a seamless symphony of power and performance. Boasting 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM, the Poco M6 Pro effortlessly handles multitasking, ensuring your interactions are smooth and responsive. Whether you're tackling work tasks, diving into immersive gaming sessions, or simply exploring the device's features, the Poco M6 Pro seamlessly adapts to your rhythm, delivering a consistently exceptional performance. Battery empowering your journey. The 5000 mAh battery of Poco M6 Pro. The Poco M6 Pro isn't just equipped with a 5000 mAh LiPo battery, it's your steadfast companion on every exploration. This robust powerhouse ensures that you can dive into your day, conquer tasks, and immerse yourself in entertainment without the constant need for power outlets. With the Poco M6 Pro by your side, you can embark on your journey with confidence, knowing that your device stands strong, ready to support you every step of the way. Conclusion: the Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro, your gateway to the extraordinary. The Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro transcends being just a device. It's a gateway that connects you to moments, possibilities, and cherished memories. Its impeccable design, immersive display, exceptional camera capabilities, and seamless performance make it the ultimate companion for modern-day explorers. Whether you're capturing life's intricate nuances, embarking on exciting new experiences, or simply staying connected, the Poco M6 Pro excels in every aspect. As you hold this remarkable device in your hand, you're not merely grasping technology, you're embracing a promise of shared adventures and unlocking the door to the extraordinary.